tasty. I would recommend you to try it. It's so tasty. If you're here with me, you could share some with me, but you're there so you cannot share some with me. Ladies and gentlemen, that was it for today. Stay tuned for more on health and wellness. And if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for the support. If you're new here, consider subscribing and stay tuned. See you next week.